When you look at something like this and think about all the thousands of hours our very talented team will have into this vehicle, it should make you appreciate all the effort, and we're certainly fortunate to have some very talented people that are building our vehicles. We're often asked what differentiates Himalaya. When you really boil it down, it comes down to our people. Truly, all the knowledge, all the pride they pour into each and every vehicle like this one, it's undeniable, it's unmatched. At Himalaya, we often say we are defined in the details. This is a great example of that. Although this looks like a 1960s Land Rover, make no mistake, this is absolutely the Himalaya. See all these vehicles come together, it certainly tells the story of our year. But what it really tells is the story of our people. Every bolt, every weld, every detail, that's you. And what you realize as you see all of these vehicles together, we're just getting started.